In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change YouTube banner. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and the easiest way to change your YouTube banner is just use YouTube Studio app. To get this app, go to the App Store, search for YouTube Studio, and then just download and install that app on your device. After that, after you are logged into that app, you will be taken to this page where you need to tap right here, then edit channel profile, and that's where you can change YouTube banner. To do that, tap at that camera icon and then choose whether you want to take a photo or choose one from your photos. After that, just select some photo from your camera roll in this way, and then in order to save the changes, tap at Save. That's how you can easily change YouTube banner. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.